All right, number 6, Asylee travel on passport. This is a comment, a question I get from randomly emails all the time. I just thought I'd talk about it again. When someone files for asylum in the United States, gets asylum, they're not supposed to use the protections of the home government anymore. And this includes visiting the country they got asylum from, but also includes using the passport of that country because you're not supposed to. In practice, asylees often go back to their home country and often use their passports. They're supposed to use a refugee travel document, which they probably can't use to go back to the home country. They need visas in it. A lot of countries you can't visit, like the Middle East, like UAE, it doesn't accept refugee travel document as a passport. But that's what it's supposed to do. In practice, what I've seen is no one cares. But you got to be careful because USCIS might make a decision, or CB might make a decision to make an example of somebody who have a problem with it. But in practice, I've never seen it be an issue when people travel when they're with their passport and visit a home country, even though they have asylum. I mean, there's always the argument that they don't necessarily fear that this one trip is going to be causing death, but if they go and live in the home country, that's when they can't find work and the threat of to their life is there. I prefer clients don't do this, but this. So when people contact me all the time, I'm like, this is the rules. Do with it as you will. But that's the situation. You got to get the refugee child document. Don't use the passport. Don't go to your home country. That's the official rule. I tell them, and they can take it from there. But again, your client might be the first person I get an example of. So I try to be strict on what the guidance I give.